So welcome to part 4, which is lighting and shading, part 2, basically. So we fixed the issues that we had, and as you can see, everything looks accordingly. So we'll move on. We're still finding the sweet spot for the light for our needs. So we'll go back and just protect. Okay. The light mix is always a good and quick way to light and without maybe not a super correct way to work, but so for self-illumination, this is called aerial perspective, which basically comes to place to get a bit of this like hazy feeling. So turn it on in the environment setting. Pay attention when doing a live render all the time. It tends to crash here and there. Also moving the plants, again, the bushes to fit whatever I think was right. So that's part of creating images. So feel free to take as much time as you need.